clear to see from up
Hey
here.
people, this is Chef and Knife. Thank you for watching my videos. Today is something Melon Scooper, right? If you have seen this, you know what I'm talking about. This equipment is used to take balls from vegetable and fruit. It's a good thing for plating. If you are a home cook, right, buy it. And if you are very new to cooking, you can use this to get some balls of your vegetables and fruits for your main course or dessert. It's a very good ball scooper, and yeah, you can use this for to everything. This is for the fruits and the vegetable. Yeah, and it's very good for your fruits and vegetable. Yeah, and it costs you around $2 to $3, and you can scoop out small balls of potatoes, watermelon, even different kind of fruits. If you want to make them small, like small balls, it's a good equipment for your plating and for your sauces and your food or your main course. If you have never seen it, what I'm gonna mention the link where you can buy this Melon Scooper, and it's a good equipment for home use, and it's not too big, very small equipment, and you can store this on anywhere, any area where you can grab it and you can use it. You can store it on your spoon area, your knife area, or the things where you keep your equipments. Yeah, it's very easy to use this as a melon scooper. So we call it melon scooper. People call it a ball scooper, and there are lots of names of this, but we call it melon scooper, and it's beautiful. You just need to scoop anything from this. I don't want to waste any vegetable scooping balls, because after that it will be a wastage, and I don't believe in wastage. That's what I learned from my work. Don't waste your vegetable, because I have seen many people who do cut fruits and vegetable, showing you their skills, but there will be another video by using this melon scooper at home. But for right now, just a normal scooper for everyone who wants to cook at home or who wants to showcase some plating or some skill as a professional guy. And if you want to buy this, I'm going to mention the link on Amazon before I finish this video. And I just want to say thank you to all who is watching my videos every time. If you are new, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, and have a lovely day, guys. Thank you for watching Chef and Knife. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye, guys.
Take a step back